Hi, I'm Allan Whiting from OutbackTravel Australia. This is the new Great Wall Cannon ute. Let's see how it goes. Cannon rides and handles very well. The dampers and springs are well matched. It's firm when empty, of course, and very smooth with 350 kilos of test load in the back. Cannon is down slightly on torque compared with some of its competitors, but it comes with a ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, so there's always a gear for every occasion. And if you want to manually shift, you've got plus and minus paddle shifts. top shelf Cannon has a powered driver's seat. Very tall drivers may find legroom a little compromised. That's in the full backward setting now. Back seat room is very good. More comfortable for 2 in the back seat than 3. And the tall cabin means there's plenty of headroom. The Cannon has 2 USBs in the center console in the front seat, 1 in the rear, and a dedicated dash cam USB. The rear tub has got quite high sides, plenty of volume in, and the tailgate lowers gently on gas struts. So if you drop it on a little kid's head, it's not a death sentence. The interior is all coated with scratch resistant finish, but the highlight is this. Why hasn't someone done this before? Bonnet lifts on gas struts. And the engine bay is very accessible. There could be room for a second battery. Components are relocated, and then over here to the air cleaner. The air cleaner's easy to access, and the air intake is in the inner mudguard. Standard tyres are road pattern Coopers. They're okay for mild off-roading. But you can also see the rear disc brakes. The Cannon has 4-wheel discs, and most utes still have rear drums. The Cannon's right up there with the top specification utes in the market. So at $42,000 drive away, no more to pay, with 7 years warranty and 5 years roadside assistance, it's easily the best value for money in the market at the moment.